Welcome back everyone. This is our looking at the charts report. My name is Angelo Zittis, and this week we have four currency pairs. First is GBPUSD, second is USDJPY, third is USDCHF, and fourth we have AUDUSD. GBPUSD news updates, starting with the US dollar that was weaker in the previous days, but especially yesterday after the Fed seemed willing to keep up using its full range of tools to support the US economy. This could be considered as bearish for the greenback, and traders may have not been impressed by the FOMC meeting. On the UK front, even though the updates from the coronavirus data are not positive, its currency seems to appreciate on the dollar's weakness. Traders should look out for financial releases from the UK on Friday in the European morning, which could move the pound. Technical analysis. Cable tested the R1 1.2517 level for the second time in the past week, but until now has not breached it. However, as the currency pair is in an upward momentum since the 21st of April, a possible stop higher is also the R2 1.2545 level last seen in mid-April. The highest level we have noted for the pair at the moment is the R3 1.2750, which was also briefly reached in mid-April. If traders favor a selling momentum, then it could initially test our S1 1.2472 that was constantly tested yesterday and breached to the upside during today's European session. Lower, we also have noted the S2 1.2440 line that was also a noted level in the previous day, while even lower, we could also see the S3 1.24 hurdle that was tested over 3 times in the past days but was not breached. Moving to USDJPY. News updates. Demand for safe haven assets remains high at the moment and in the previous weeks. The dollar's bearish mood could send the pair lower. Keep in mind on Friday's Asian session when we get Tokyo's CPI rates, which could create volatility for the pair. Technical analysis. USDJPY is currently trading just on our S1 106.80 line that has been tested various times in the past sessions but still holds up. This also indicates the strength of the level. However, a move lower could send the currency pair to the S2 105.30 line, and even lower we have the S3 104.15 hurdle, which is also noted. To the upside, we have first the R1 107.75 line that was tested many times since mid-April but was not clearly breached. This is also proving a strong level, but if breached could pave the way for the R2 109.10 line to be approached. Even higher we have the R3 110.60 line. Yet, we would like to know the pair remains in a selling momentum since the 6th of April, and this is also confirmed by our RSI indicator below our chart, which is below the 50 level. Moving now to USDCHF for our chart. News updates. News from Switzerland today in the European session indicated the KOF data that examines the expectations of the economy's performance in the next months fell significantly for April, so the general sentiment is low, while the official reserve assets were also lower. Technical analysis. In an upward momentum, we have noted the R1 0.9745 line, and higher we have the R2 0.9785 and the R3 0.9835 levels. In the downside, we have the S1 0.9680 line, lower the S2 0.9640 level, and even lower the S3 0.9595 line. Please note, the pair has moved between our S1 0.9680 line and the R2 0.9785 line in a sideways motion since the 22nd of April. For us to change our view, a clear break of either levels should become evident. Moving to our final chart, this is AUDUSD for our chart. News updates. News from Australia in the past days regarding its inflation data came out solid, giving the currency an upward momentum, and traders used the data to purchase the Aussie. Please note, any significant releases from China could also affect the course of the pair currency. Technical analysis. Note the pair has been in an upward momentum since the 21st of April, and it has been climbing gradually. If traders are willing to buy the currency pair, the first level to be tested is the R1 0.6575 line. Even higher, we have noted the R2 0.6640 line and the R3 0.67 hurdle. If a selling momentum is preferred, then the S1 0.65 level could be first approached. Lower, we have noted the S2 0.6440 line and even lower the S3 0.6380 level, which is also a possibility in an extended bearish run. Now, looking at the charts is designed to help traders balance between fundamental news and technical levels. However, the choice of what works and what doesn't work is yours to make. Thank you very much for your time. Enjoy solid trading.